Good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the impacts of global warming. We're going to split the topics into different aspects of how it has affected us. So we are going to start off with agriculture, and then biodiversity, sea levels, extreme weathers, and to us humans, especially with the physical health aspects. We're going to start with agriculture. Since global warming increases our annual temperature, then the growing seasons will be disturbed globally. As a result, the crop's growth rate will decrease as well, and the yield per harvest will lower, which means that we will get less wheat and our food production will be decreased. And then on the biodiversity, we'll split it into about land species and aquatic lives. For aquatic lives, the global temperatures will disturb the carbon dioxide equilibrium in the oceans, which in turn causes the ocean to be more acidic. As a result, marine animals such as fish and corals cannot adapt to the changes of pH in ocean, and the coral reefs may die off, and since the corals are a kind of food source to the fishes, then the fishes will die off as well, and the biodiversity in the aquatic will lower. And for land species, the global temperatures will affect the growth rates of the vegetations in the forest, like the fruits and the grass that the animals living in the forest eat. And if their food source decreases, then the animals are required to migrate, and if they cannot migrate as fast as the climate change, then they will not be able to adapt to the change, and the herbivores in the forest will decrease, and the carnivorous species will follow as well. Therefore, the biodiversity in the forest will also lower. So for the sea levels, the increase in global temperature will cause the icebergs and glaciers in the polar regions to melt into water, which raises the sea levels, and it will lead to the coastal areas such as Venus and Bangkok to be submerged in water very quickly, and the coastal regions will also erode, and the wetland will be lost as well. And moving on to extreme weather. Since the global temperature will increase, the air will expand and can trap more water in the atmosphere, which will increase the precipitation in the air. And since the precipitation patterns is changed, then it will bring a lot more frequent droughts, floods, and hurricanes. And the increase in temperature will cause a more suitable environment and promotes the growth of bacteria and diseases, which will disturb the increase in temperature and can also disturb the ozone equilibrium in the atmosphere. This will increase the chance for people getting respiratory and other severe diseases such as malaria and asthma. That's my presentation today. Thank you for your attention.